any type of fabric, but today we are going to be dealing. Welcome to another episode of Fashion Design Tips with Sheke Couture. In today's episode, we are going to be learning how to use your heat transfer machine to iron your silk fabric. The brand name of the heat transfer machine I will be using to iron our silk fabric with the help of heat protective clothes is called Elina Press machine. Using your Elina Press heat transfer machine to iron silk fabric, the first thing you need to do is to plug your machine to a socket, and the next thing you need to do is to use the off and on switch that is on the machine to turn it on. Once that has been done, there's a regulator here which with the help of it you can set your timer to whatever fabric you're working with. So today we are working with silk, and we are going to set this regulator to silk. Like I said, we are working with a silk fabric, and here is the silk fabric, so you can see how rough it is, right? So the next thing you are going to do is you lay your fabric, your silk fabric, you lay it on the ironing board like this. That's the part you want to iron, and you will take your heat protective cloths and place it on it. So you bring down the board and the light comes on, so you leave it to iron. So there is an indicator alarm here that once the fabric or the clothes you are ironing is ready to be removed, the alarm will start beeping. So once you start hearing that alarm, you should know that the fabric you're ironing is ready to be removed. So let's remove our fabric now. Can you see there's difference between here and here? So let's do that part as well. So you place it here directly, and you place your heat transfer fabric, your heat transfer fabric, your heat protective fabric, you place it on it, then you secure. So it's working our clothes. Now that it's done and beeping, first thing you need to do is to remove your heat protective clothes. The work is to protect your clothes from being burnt, right? Then once you remove that, you take your fabric. Look at, if you have any brand of heat transfer machine in your various offices or home, I'm here to let you know that you can use it to iron your silk, as we just did. And we all know that silk is a very fragile and delicate fabric to work with when you are ironing, right? And with the help of your heat protective clothes, you're good to go. So this heat transfer machine has an added advantage because the board, the face is wider and bigger than the small iron we use in our offices. So you tend to finish up your ironing job in no time. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you in my next video.